How to allow Google Chrome in your firewall settings on Windows 11. So if your Chrome browser is being blocked, I'm going to show you two ways to fix this problem. First, open the Start menu on your computer. Then search for Windows Defender and click on Windows Defender Firewall. From the left side, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on the Change Settings button. Then press Allow another app. Click on Browse. Now you need to find where Google Chrome is installed. There are two places where it could be saved. First, open your C drive, then go to Program Files, click on Google, and then open the Chrome folder. After that, select the Chrome application and press Open. Then click Add. If you can't find Chrome there, then it may be saved in the Program Files x86 folder instead. Open your C drive, go to Program Files x86, click on Google, and then open the Chrome folder. From there, you can add the Chrome application. Once it has been added, scroll down through the list of apps until you find Google Chrome. Make sure both private and public are checked like this, then press OK at the bottom of the page. Now, there's one more thing we need to do. Open the Start menu again, type Windows Security, and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. Scroll down again to Exclusions and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Now click on Add an Exclusion and choose Folder. Then you need to find the Google Chrome folder again. Go back to your C drive and open either Program Files or Program Files x86. Open the Google folder and then add the full Chrome folder like this. Once you've done that, Google Chrome will be allowed through your Windows firewall.